then gonna haul it off. Got some nice pieces overall. Some burl in there. Looks pretty nice. Big piece on the end. Splits off though a little bit, so we'll have to see how much we can get out of that. And then we got, it looks like some burl coming up inside of here. So that'll be pretty nice. Got quite a few logs. There's water pouring out of this thing. Let's see what we can get out of this one. It'll be interesting. Got water pouring out the end. Haven't seen anything quite like this. Got a nice waterfall coming out. Dusty, you helping out? Dusty, you helping out? Yeah. Well, that'll be an interesting one to know. That big spot of rot in there. Probably have some interesting figure. I haven't seen that much water run out of a log before, especially brown soupy water. Kind of knew where there was rot from that hole in there, so not a big surprise, but the water was a surprise. So I think the rest of the tree will look pretty good, it's pretty solid.